time for Makaton choir. This is a song that we sang a long time ago, but it's a good one. We don't have any music, so we're going to have to just do our best to remember the tune, but I think we'll be okay. This song is called Monkey Puzzle, and it's based on the book written by Julia Donaldson. It's a bit of a favourite in Castleview. Okay, are you ready? My mum isn't a great grey hunk. She's got no tusks and she's got no trunk. She doesn't hiss and she doesn't croak. Butterfly, butterfly, please don't joke. It's a monkey puzzle. Butterfly, butterfly, can't you see? It's a monkey puzzle. None of these animals looks like me. My mum doesn't have lots of legs. She's got no beak and she can't lay eggs. She doesn't flitter about all night. Butterfly, butterfly, get it right. It's a monkey puzzle. Butterfly, butterfly, can't you see? It's a monkey puzzle. None of these animals looks like me. Here comes someone with fingers and toes, and very long arms and a nice pink nose, a curly tail and a furry tongue. Butterfly, butterfly, that's not mum, it's a monkey puzzle. Butterfly, butterfly, can't you see? It's a monkey puzzle. None of these animals looks like me. Butterfly, butterfly, are you mad? It's a monkey puzzle. That's not my mommy, no, that's my dad. Okay, that's us finished. Bye.